Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shloka Tech. And in today's video, I am going to tell you how to create an animated website using HTML and CSS. The website that we are going to create today looks like this. So, if you want the source code of this website, then make sure to visit our website shlokatech.in. The link of the website will be given in the description below, or you can also click on the iCard above. So let's learn how to create the animated website. Let me tell you the things we need and the folder structure. So one, I have a Taj Mahal image that will be the background, and then the folder structure will be, I will make a new folder and name it. This time you can give it any name you want. So I am giving it animated website, and then I am inserting the Taj Mahal image inside it. Now inside animated website, I will make a new folder and name it CSS, and then I will move the Taj Mahal image inside CSS. Inside CSS I will make a new folder and then I will name it images. Now let me give it a short name. I am changing it to IMG and then moving the Taj Mahal image inside it. And now I am closing it. Now I will open Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. I am using this IDE. You can use any IDE you want. So I will open a folder, and while opening I will select the animated website folder and open it. Now what I have to do is make a new file and name it index.html. Let me change the name, index.html, and then inside CSS a new file named style.css. Now I have one index.html, one inside CSS style.css, inside image I have one Taj Mahal image. Now let's start the coding. So first what I will do is insert the boilerplate of HTML, and then after inserting the boilerplate I am changing the title to animated website. You can give the title as per your wish, and then now I will be creating a header tag. Inside the header tag I will create a nav tag, and then inside nav what I will do is first make a div dot logo, and then I will go outside the div and then again make a div dot menu. Now inside div dot menu what I will do is add anchor tag and then changing it to pound symbol, and here I will type home. Then I will make 4 duplicates of it. Then the first one is home, then the second one is gallery, I will name the third one about, and I will name the last one contact. Now after making this I will edit in the div class logo. So I will add a h1 heading and give it name of coding. So the coding will be our h1 heading, and then I will give a class of animate, as I also have to add some animation on it. Now I will go outside the nav, but I will stay inside the header tag. Make sure to note that point. Then I will add a main tag, and inside main I will add a section tag, and then I will add a h3 and say welcome to the world of coding. So now I have made a h3 tag Now after making a h3 tag, inside section I will make a h1 tag, and this time type coding is, and then I will add a span tag. Now after adding the span tag, what I will do is give a class to span tag. So I am giving it a class of change underscore contain. Now after completing the h1, I will add a p heading, and then I will add a quotation. So here I am typing experience is the name everyone gives to their success. So gives to their mistakes. So now after typing this code, our p is finished. Now I will add two anchor tags. So I will so let me use the multi cursor functionality. So I will go here, and now I will add the multi cursor. So I will come here, then press the alt key, and again here. Then I will add two anchor tags, and in href I am adding the pound symbol, and then what I will do is give them a class of btn1. I will change the class of the second one to btn2, and then here in the first one I will type learn more, and in the second one I will be typing sign up. So now after making this sign up and this, our HTML has fully finished. Now we don't have to do anything in HTML. Only the last thing we have to do is link the CSS file, because without that it will not look nice. So first let me start the live server. So you can see it is looking very bad. So what I will do, first I will link the CSS file. So it is inside the CSS folder, and then it is a style.css. Now I have not added any CSS, so still it is looking the same. And then I will go inside the CSS and then style the HTML file. So first what I will do is add the universal operator and say that the margin is 0 and the padding is 0. Then I will change the box sizing, so it will be border box, and then I'm also adding a font family. So I am adding a font family. So let me change it to Josephine. This one. So I should link the font Joseph one. It's a very good font. So fonts.google.com. I will go to this website. There you will be able to get many fonts. So here I want Josephine. Yes, this is the font, and I want this style embed. So let me link this here. So after linking this, I will add this one, and then I will change the font family to the embedded link. After doing that, our universal operator is finished. To let me style the header, as everything is inside the header tag. So I will give it a width of 100% and height I will give up 100 VH. Then I will say I will add a background image. So background image. Then I will add a URL, and the URL is that it is inside the CSS folder, inside image, and in tajmahal.jpg. So if I reload this, you can see the Taj Mahal has come, but it is repeating again and again. So what I will do is that background repeat is equal to no repeat. So you can see it is coming once. Now it is not fitting the whole screen, so I will change the background size to cover. So I will add background size and then cover. Now after doing this, inside the nav tag I am adding width of 100%, and then height I am giving it of 15 VH, and then I will change the background and I will give it a RGBA color, and I will give it 0 0 0, and this time I will try 0.2. So it is coming like this. So now after doing this, I will change their color to white. Let me add the mark here. And then after changing it to white, what I will do is add a display of flex, and then let me do justify contents, this space between. Then I will align all of them at center, and finally I will transform the text to uppercase. So you can see it is coming like this now. So now after doing this, I will style the nav dot logo. So I will say nav dot logo. So now why I am adding dot here is because we have to represent class by a full stop. So let me add a comment so it will be easy for you to understand. So dot is used to represent class, and then same if you are representing ID, then we have to use a hashtag. So it is used to represent the ID. So now let me select the nav dot logo. I will give it the width of 25%, and then text align is center. So you can see it has come here, and they have also come here. So now I will style them so like they are not looking so good. So I will say that inside nav there is a nav dot menu. As inside a nav tag we made a div dot menu and all the anchor tags are inside it. So I will say nav dot menu, and then I will add a width of 40%, and after that I will give it a display of flex, and I will add a justify content of space around. So you can see they have come to the correct positions. Now inside nav, inside menu, all the anchor tags. So like I have to change the text decoration to none, change their color. So I have to do all of them. So I will say that inside menu there is a anchor tag. 4 anchor tags are there. So inside change their width to 25%, and then text decoration none. So you can see that the underline of all of them have gone. So now I will change their color to white, and then after changing I will make them bold. So I will say that font weight is equal to bold. So let me delete one, and you can see they have changed and they are looking nice. So now after styling the nav, our nav is styled. So now I have to style the main section, like all of them I have to style. So to do that, I will say that inside the main tag, change their width to 100% and change their height to 85 VH. And then I will change their display to flex, and I will add a justify content center. Then I will add align item center. Then I will also add a text align center, and finally I will change their color to white, so you can see they have come like this. Now that the Taj Mahal is also white and they are also white, so I have to change their color. So I'm not changing their color, I will add some shadow, text shadow. So I will style the h3 tag, which is the welcome to the world of coding heading. So I will say that inside the section tag, there is the h3 heading. So inside that, first change the font size and change it to 35 pixels, and then also add some font weight 200, and then let me increase the letter spacing to 3 pixel, so it is 3 pixel. Then now I am adding the text shadow. So text shadow I will add 1 pixel, 2 pixel black. So 1 pixel, 2 pixel black shadow. So you can see, now we can see it very properly now. Now after doing this, I will style the h1 tag in which I have written the coding is. I will also animate it, so like the font will change again and again. So I will say inside section there is the h1 tag, and then add some margin. So I will give it margin of 30 pixel, 0 pixel, 20 pixel, 0. And after adding the margin, I will change the font size. Now the font size is 55 pixels. You can see it has become more bigger. Now after adding the font size, I will increase the font weight. So I am adding 700. Now after adding font weight, I will add a text shadow. So is this time, let me duplicate this line and add it here, and I will edit this line only. So this time it is 2 pixel, 1 pixel, 5 pixel, and again it is black. So you can see, now we are able to see this very clearly. Now after adding the text shadow to the h1 heading, I will transform the text so it has an uppercase. Now after doing this, I will style the P, where I have written the quotation experience is the name everyone gives to their mistakes. So again I will add section, and then there is a P tag. Now inside this, I will increase the font size to 25 pixels. I will add some margin. I will add the margin bottom. Let me add of 25 pixels. Then text shadow. Let me delete this line and add the other things. So it's word spacing and 2 pixel. Now I have to add the text shadow. So I will simply duplicate this line and then add the text shadow of 1 pixel, 5 pixel black. So now you can see this is also become very clear. And now I will style all the buttons. So what I will do is inside section btn1 I will change its background hashtag FFF and I will change its color hashtag 000. So it has become like this. Now I will style this more. Right now only it is coming like this. Now let me make a duplicate copy line down and this time I'm changing to button 2 and the color I will be adding to button 2 is hashtag 00B894. So you can see this is a very nice color. Right now I will style this button so it will look more nice and I will change its color to FFF and now it has become like this. So now after styling the section.btn1 and section.btn2, what we do, I will add the hover effect also. So I have styled all the section tags but I have not styled the anchor tags. I have styled by the class. So let me say inside section anchor tags add some padding of 12 pixel and 30 pixel. So they have come like this. Now I will add some border radius so it will look more better. So border radius of, so I will add a outline of none. Then I will add text transform to uppercase. So they have changed like this. After changing it to uppercase, I will change the font size to 13 pixel and add the font weight and I am giving it a 500. You can decrease or increase or change values if you want. And I am adding a text decoration of none and adding some letter spacing. So letter spacing I will change to 1. After adding letter spacing, you can see it has been looking like this. Now I have to add some hover effect on this. So I will say section.btn1 slash hover. So no, let me not add this section as there is only one class I have given to btn1. If somebody hovers on this, then the background color should change to the color of button 2 and then I will, so basically let me make you understand what am I doing. If somebody hovers on button 1, then all of the properties will change to button 2's properties, and if somebody hover on button 2, then all of the properties will change to button 1. So now you can see if I hover the color changes. Now it is not coming smoothly. So inside the anchor tags, let me add some transition all. So I will add it of 6.5 seconds and ease. So now after styling the buttons, it has all of them has been completed. So now after doing this, let me style the Nav Dot Menu a first style. So like this, if I right now I am on home page, so let me add its color. So let me add a Nav Dot Menu, then I will say is first child, as that's the first child, and I will change its color to this bluish or greenish type of color. So you can see now this has also come here. So now after styling the is first child, what I will do is do with this change slash contain. So I will say that dot change slash contain after the content should be this. So I'm leaving it empty. Then I will add some animation. So I will say that animation, I will give it a name of change text, and it should be of 10 seconds. It should never stop, so it is infinite, and then linear. And let me also change the color to this color. So now I am not have added the keyframes, so you are not able to see the text. So I will say keyframes change text. So I will say that add 0%, then I will add this, and then add the content, and then I am adding coding is nice. So now actually I will make 6 duplicates of it and change their type to this first is 0, then 20, then I will change to 35, then is 60, the last one is 100, and the second last one, let me change it to 80. Now let me also change the content so it looks nice. So let me write coding is live, coding is best, coding is good, coding is happy, coding is easy, and it is also hard. So now I have added them. So now after doing this, let me animate this coding. So to animate the coding, what I have to do is actually I will add the class to animate. So I have already added the dot animate class. So I will say dot animate, and then in dot animate, so nav dot animate, and then I will name it beat, then it should be of 0.25 seconds, it should never stop, and it should be alternative. Then I will add the keyframe of beat, and of beat I will say 2, then transform, and then I will say scale of 1.4. So now after doing this, you can see our website is finished, and this is also animating. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. And if you want a source code of this project, then visit our website shlokatech.in. So then go to links, then you will find the source code of animated website. Simply click here, it will be a Google Drive link and you can download this folder by clicking here. So everyone, thanks for watching.